everyone, and welcome to the first episode of the Zebyl Engagement Center and Messaging for Business video tutorial series. In this episode, we will cover the Zebyl portal elements and navigation menus and learn about the portal layout. If you have already found your way around the portal, you may skip to the next lesson. Firstly, in order to log into the Zebyl portal, you need a username and a password. If you have not yet received your login information, please contact your account administrator and ask for your login. If you have forgotten your password, visit the login page and click on the Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. When you log into the portal, you will be directed to a page that displays the navigation menus, a list of contacts with the most recent messaging activities, conversations with a selected contact, and the notification bar. We will cover these elements in this video tutorial. The most important items to notice first after logging into the portal are as follows. As soon as you log into your Zebyl Engagement Center, please pay attention to the notification bar, where you may view pending unanswered text messages. People expect to receive timely responses to text messages, so it's important to attend to incoming messages promptly. Zebyl helps you notice new messages with visual notifications. The number inside the red tag attached to the envelope in the notification bar lists the number of unanswered text messages across all SMS numbers. When there are no unread messages pending, the red circle turns green with the number 0 inside. The notification bell represents important account status and billing information about your account. Please make sure you read and follow instructions in these messages to properly maintain your account status. Please note that if you have opted in for review management feature, important information about reviews are also displayed here. Make sure to notice and follow instructions in these messages to maintain your reviews properly as well. Let's look at pending orders. If you have opted in for menu management and sales order via text, your new orders will be listed under this icon. The number in the circle shows the pending orders, so please be sure to click and follow up with the new orders promptly. Ideally, there should be not any pending orders lingering in this section for an extended period of time. All right, now that we have covered the important and urgent items, let's continue with the portal elements. Let's look at the navigation menus on the left-hand side. This menu navigates to different pages of the Engagement Center. Please note that listed menus differ depending on the user's roles and permissions logged in. For example, an admin user can navigate to the billing page to view invoices and all of the other things, but agent users don't even see this option. Here's a quick review of the navigation menus. Messages takes you to the message board. New message allows you to draft a new message to a new contact. Orders takes you to the text order page. Please note that this menu requires additional subscription. Settings help you edit your profile and set message forwarding options. Menu management takes you to the text order menu page. And again, please note that this menu requires additional subscription. MessageBot allows you to automate responses to incoming messages. Campaigns takes you to the text messaging campaign page. Reviews takes you to the Manage Online Review Center. Please note that this menu also requires additional subscription. Google Integration integrates with your Google account to sync calendar, reviews, and web page analytics. Facebook integration integrates with your Facebook account to sync Messenger messages and reviews. Again, please note that the latter two options also require additional subscriptions. Contacts takes you to the Contact Management Center. Reports displays account reports. Admin menu option takes you to the account administration area. And finally, Logout logs you out of the portal. Let's focus our attention on the notification bar. As explained before, the notification bar provides important information about your account, such as pending unanswered text messages, account status information, pending orders, generated leads, etc. Please note that the items listed here might differ based on the services you have signed up for. On the right side of the notification bar, where you see your name, you can switch between different messaging channels, such as different SMS numbers, Facebook pages, etc. Upon selection, you can see the messages related to the selected channel. For example, if you have more than one SMS-enabled telephone number activated on your account, you can click on the down arrow next to your username and switch between the SMS numbers. All right, let's focus our attention to the contact section, which displays all contacts who have exchanged text messages with your landline phone numbers, Facebook pages, etc. When people text your SMS-enabled landline phone numbers, their telephone numbers are added to the all contact list. You can easily assign names to the contacts using the following methods. First option is to click a listing under contacts in the message board and then click on the edit button next to chat with section. Enter a name and tap the check mark to save. Second option is to use the left-hand menu and click on the contacts, then all contacts, then use the search box to find the phone number you're interested. From the action menu, click on edit to assign a name. The number in front of the contacts here shows the total number of people who have exchanged messages with you over the selected channel displayed on the upper right corner of the screen. You can find contact names or phone numbers by entering a few characters of the person's name or a few digits of their phone number in the search field on top of the contacts section. The contacts are sorted according to the following. People with the most recent unanswered messages are listed first, just to grab the attention that they need to be attended to, followed by people with the most recent activity. Next topic is the message board. The message board displays conversations between contacts and your organization over a selected channel. Messages from your contacts are listed on the left side, represented with light gray bubble, while responses from your organization are listed on the right, represented in light blue bubble. As mentioned before, you can switch between supported channels on your account by clicking on the down arrow next to your name and selecting the desired channel, which might include any of your SMS numbers or Facebook pages. Upon selection, those messages communicated over that channel will be listed on the message board. The list of contacts will also be refreshed accordingly. Since Zebyl Engagement Center is a multi-user environment, agent names are listed over the response bubbles in the message board. This helps identify the agent who responded to a specific message. The colored circle next to the agent name shows if they're online or offline at this time. Apart from human agents, automated services may also respond to audience messages. The responses displayed on the message board are color-coded and tagged accordingly to show the automated service that respond to specific messages. For example, automatic responses are listed under auto response, and chatbot responses are tagged as the name of the chatbot who responded to a particular message. Every message is also tagged with a timestamp. You may want to pay attention to the timestamp of the responses to gauge the performance of human agents. The Find feature helps find certain phrases inside a conversation. As you type a phrase inside the search box, messages including the search phrase are highlighted for you. To maximize the portal performance, only a limited number of messages are displayed in the conversation. You can change the number of messages displayed by selecting a desired choice from the drop-down menu located in the top right corner of the message board. You may also scroll all the way up to the top of the conversation area and retrieve older messages until you see no more messages, which means that you have reached the oldest message in the conversation. The Type Your Message area is for typing responses to inbound text. As you see, a bunch of cool gadgets are available in this section that will be covered in the next video tutorial. And with that, let's conclude this episode of the Zebyl Engagement Center video tutorial series. We hope that this video helps you navigate the portal smoothly, and we will see you in the next episode.